What is a robot? A robot is a machine made of two major components, software and hardware, very much like a computer. But unlike a computer, a robot's hardware can move through the usage of multiple motors integrated into the structure of the robot. Some robots also have sensors to detect certain aspects of their surroundings and use this information to respond. The sensors and motors are controlled by the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, that is running the software telling the robot what to do and what not to do. With the three components of hardware and some software, we have made this.